Lesson: Benefits and challenges of AI in cyber defense. Artificial intelligence has become an indispensable tool in the realm of cyber defense, offering a multitude of benefits while also presenting significant challenges. The integration of AI in cybersecurity is not only a reflection of technological advancement, but also a necessity in combating increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. AI technologies, such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, have revolutionized the way organizations detect, prevent, and respond to cyber attacks. However, the implementation of AI in cyber defense is a double-edged sword, bringing both advantages and potential pitfalls that need to be carefully managed. One of the most significant benefits of AI in cyber defense is its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data at an unprecedented speed. Traditional cybersecurity measures often rely on manual processes and predefined rules, which can be time-consuming and ineffective against fast-evolving threats. AI, on the other hand, can sift through large data sets, identify patterns, and detect anomalies in real time, enabling faster and more accurate threat detection. For instance, machine learning algorithms can be trained to recognize the signatures of known malware and predict new variants by analyzing their behavior patterns. This capability is crucial in an era where cyber threats are becoming more complex and frequent. AI-driven cybersecurity systems also enhance threat intelligence by correlating data from multiple sources and providing actionable insights. Advanced AI tools can integrate information from threat feeds, network logs, and endpoint data to create a comprehensive threat landscape. This holistic view helps security teams to understand the context of an attack, prioritize responses, and mitigate risks more effectively. Additionally, AI can automate routine security tasks, such as patch management and vulnerability scanning, reducing the burden on human analysts and allowing them to focus on more strategic activities. Despite these advantages, the use of AI in cyber defense is not without challenges. One of the primary concerns is the potential for adversarial attacks, where cybercriminals manipulate AI systems to evade detection or cause them to produce incorrect results. Adversarial machine learning involves crafting inputs that deceive AI models into making mistakes, such as misclassifying malware as benign software. This vulnerability highlights the need for robust AI models that can withstand such attacks and maintain their integrity. Another challenge is the reliance on high-quality data for training AI models. The effectiveness of an AI system largely depends on the quality and quantity of the data it is trained on. Incomplete, biased, or outdated data can lead to inaccurate predictions and false positives, undermining the overall security posture. Ensuring the availability of relevant and up-to-date data is a continuous challenge, requiring organizations to invest in data management and curation processes. Moreover, the integration of AI in cybersecurity raises ethical and privacy concerns. AI systems often require access to sensitive information to function effectively, which can pose risks to individuals' privacy if not managed properly. There is also the risk of AI systems making decisions without human oversight, potentially leading to unintended consequences. Establishing clear guidelines and ethical frameworks for the use of AI in cybersecurity is essential to address these concerns and build trust among users. The implementation of AI in cyber defense also necessitates a skilled workforce capable of managing and maintaining AI systems. There is a growing demand for cybersecurity professionals with expertise in AI and machine learning, which can be challenging to meet given the current skills gap in the industry. Organizations need to invest in training and development programs to equip their staff with the necessary knowledge and skills to harness the full potential of AI in cybersecurity. In conclusion, AI offers significant benefits in enhancing cyber defense, including improved threat detection, advanced threat intelligence, and automation of routine tasks. However, these advantages come with challenges, such as adversarial attacks, data quality issues, ethical and privacy concerns, and the need for a skilled workforce. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach, including the development of robust AI models, effective data management practices, ethical guidelines, and investment in workforce development. By carefully navigating these challenges, organizations can leverage AI to build a more resilient and proactive cybersecurity posture.